Welcome to the Piping Engineering YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you step by step an easy way how to read piping isometric drawing. A quick thanks to all our members and subscribers for your continued support. It truly means a lot. If you'd like to support our educational mission, you can explore membership options through the link in the description below. Now let's get started with today's educational video. You see, this pipeline consists of 3 separate pipe spools. Each spool is likely fabricated and assembled on site. The first pipe spool number is 1DTSEZ0187-1 and indicated this spool. The second pipe spool number is 1DTSEZ0187-2 and indicated this spool. The third pipe spool number is 1DTSEZ0187-3 and indicated this spool. In this piping isometric drawing, there are 6 arrows indicating the directions: north direction, south direction, east direction, west direction, up direction, and down direction. The person reading the drawing should imagine themselves facing north, with the assumption that they are positioned at the center of these directions. We will begin reading this pipe drawing from this point. The pipeline begins at this flange and initially extends eastward. At this point, it takes a 90-degree turn and continues further east. Then the pipeline turns southward using a 90-degree elbow. After a short stretch, it turns south again with another 90-degree elbow. Finally, the pipeline makes one more 90-degree turn back to the east. With that, we've successfully completed reading this piping isometric drawing. This educational video is coming to an end. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. By becoming a channel member, you can support our work and access exclusive perks. A big thanks you in advance to everyone who leaves a comment or a like. It truly makes a difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.